A key thing for students when they're creating technology that's going to get pushed out into society is to think about the people who have been traditionally invisible. My research focuses on reinventing the future of work for workers. The gig economy has been on the rise. It has been providing a large number of new types of jobs. By 2027, 60% of the US workforce will be involved in the gig economy precisely because of its flexibility. However, it has a huge wage theft problem. A number of tasks that they complete within the gig economy are not paid. And they are also under constant surveillance. When I finished my PhD, I started as an assistant professor at West Virginia University, and that was a really great opportunity to learn about rural America. And I realized when you're coming from Silicon Valley, you don't understand rural America, and you are not designing for the rural workers. We need to think critically about how the technology might impact and can damage some people. A big issue that gig workers face is that they are under constant surveillance, where their hours, their minutes are overseen by algorithms who decide whether or not their behavior is correct. And based on that, they are given more jobs or they are completely penalized. And so part of my research focuses on creating tools through which we can quantify and observe the people in power, in this case, the platforms. And so by giving workers their own data, their own tool, is a way in which we can fight back against the surveillance. In order to accomplish my research, I connect with different worker collectives, government actors, industry actors, NGOs, and also academics, so that together we can create that better future for workers. I use value-sensitive design as a framework to help me to understand what are the different values that these stakeholders have, understand when there might be conflicts, and then design technology that can create a win-win situation for everyone. I have been successful getting some of their ideas, their insights, into the eyes and ears of policymakers who have the power to start to change the reality that workers have through laws that they are passing. I also connect and work closely with industry actors that can also hear and better understand the problems that workers are facing to create policy changes directly within their platform.